All right, Thursday, and finally some blue sky as we look off to the west. Just a couple of clouds out there. Off to the east, the picture looks considerably different as we still have clouds and showers right now at Hector, 77 degrees. The humidity is up. Dew points are in the mid 60s. A little sticky feeling out there. And right now out at Moorhead's Airport, 75 degrees. The coolest air we'll find off to the east where Wadena has 68. It's 10 degrees warmer for you in Thief River Falls, and Grand Forks at 79 degrees. Sizzling 80s out to the far west. Right now, Jamestown, you're at 78, and Devil's Lake, 79 degrees. Here's the edge of clouds. So again, if you're looking off to the east, you'll see much more cloudiness and still showers exiting Lakes Country of Otterdale and Becker County, heading through Wadena, where you see the yellow shades here. That's some heavier showers. These are finally starting to clear off to the east as they're moving to the east at about 20 miles per hour. As we take a look out to the west, we have a lot of clear, a nice break expected with a very warm air mass here. Thunderstorms firing in Montana will be a factor in our forecast as well. And here's how your hour-by-hour forecast for this evening shows. Well, some of you, particularly in western Minnesota, will have temperatures rise a little bit here before we get towards sunset. And temperatures by 10 o'clock close to 70 degrees. Light winds, beautiful conditions, and as we head through the overnight, it stays quiet all night long. No morning thunderstorms, but as you're heading off to work, because of that low-level moisture in the atmosphere, particularly in our counties that saw the rainfall today, upwards of 1 inch to 2 inches in places, we could have some patchy, dense fog to deal with. First thing in the day, that sun comes out. Most of us will see it, and once again, temperatures will be rising. Now, the colors here indicate where we'll see the heat really build as we go toward the day. And when you see pinks on Hutch's temperature contours here, that's sizzling hot air. Look at South Dakota. The heat really builds into the afternoon there. A lot of 80s across the valley. Our northern counties will once again be warmer because of the lack of rain today. Many of us that saw rain will spend some time evaporating some of that before we really see things heat up, but still 80, summer-like and above average. Late tomorrow night, those storms we saw in western Montana, well, they'll push their way into the valley, and Friday night, overnight into Saturday, could be bringing another round of strong storms to the valley. So your planner looks like this. Friday morning, rise and shine, and the sun will be doing exactly that. Upper 60s on our way to the mid 80s for your afternoon. Winds, by the way, will be easterly or southeasterly, only 5 to 15 miles per hour. And your evening plans look good. It'll be overnight and more likely for us Saturday morning before we see a chance of some showers and storms moving through. 87 Grand Forks, 79 Valley City. Temperatures in Lakes Country, particularly south where the rain continues, upper 70s and low 80s for most of you. 81 for Babe the Blue Ox in Bemidji. And if you were on the taxiway this morning or the jetway, look at this, Hector International. Joseph capturing a beautiful shot there at our airport. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Saturday is the sizzler. We'll see many 90s working their way up into the valley. And then Saturday night and into Sunday, a cool front pushes through. That will bring a very good chance of rain. That cools us off a pinch for Sunday and back to seasonable for Monday. How about the 4th of July? Looks like more storms across the area, not everywhere all day, but hit and miss with temperatures about seasonal.
You really have to be strategic when you're mowing your lawn these days, because it rains every day.
Mike told me a secret, just get a goat.
Oh.
How many? 2, 3?
There we go.
I think you should get maybe a half dozen.
Okay. Thanks, Hutch.
Are you going to